Pleasant day to the happy and smart learners. I'm Dr. Shobha Edward, Principal and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, here to present on the scope of total income or the incidence of tax. So when it comes to the scope of total income, in other words, it's called as incidence of tax. These are the few situations we have to consider. First, if the income is received or deemed to be received in India, then it is taxable for a resident, not ordinarily resident, and a non-resident. If the income is earned in India, whether received in India or outside India, so the income is earned in India, it is taxable for a resident, not ordinarily resident, and a non-resident. If an income is earned and received outside India from business or profession set up in India, then it is taxable for a resident, not ordinarily resident, and it is not taxable for a non-resident. When an income earned or received outside India from business or profession set up outside India, then it is taxable for a resident, and it is not taxable for a not ordinarily resident. It is not taxable for a non-resident. When an income is earned and received outside India from any other source, then it is taxable for a resident. It is not taxable for a not ordinarily resident. It is not taxable for a non-resident. Income which is earned and received outside India during the previous years and remitted to India during the current previous year. It is not taxable for a resident, it is not taxable for a not ordinarily resident, and it is not taxable for a non-resident. So, this is the scope of total income depending on the residential status of an individual. Thank you and have a happy and smart learning. Thank you.